Welcome to Talk with Spake. Slow English, soft feelings. We learn together.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Emma.
How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. I feel calm today.
That's nice.
How was your day?
My day was simple. I worked. Then I rested. Now I feel okay.
That's good. My day was simple too. I studied English very slowly.
Every day?
Yes, every day, just a little.
Emma,
Yes?
sometimes I feel shy when I speak English.
Yes, I understand. I also feel shy sometimes. Now I tell myself it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes mean I am learning.
When you say that, I feel better.
Good. English should feel safe.
Yes, not scary.
Right.
When we talk slowly, I relax.
Me too.
Where do you live?
I live in London. And you?
I live in New York.
Big cities.
Very big.
But our English is slow.
Yes, slow, calm, and I like it.
Me too. Emma, do you have a dream?
Yes, I want to travel and speak English with many people.
That's beautiful.
And you?
I want to speak calmly, without fear.
We will learn
Yes, slowly,
together.
together. Sometimes I feel scared to speak,
Me too.
but still, we speak,
Yes. Slowly.
step by step.
And that is enough. Today, you spoke well.
Thank you. That feels good.
Be proud of small wins.
Yes, small wins are big. Sometimes I am hard on myself,
Yes. Me too.
but we should be kind.
Yes. Kind to ourselves.
Talking with you feels safe.
Talking with you feels calm.
Good.
Very good.
I like slow learning,
Me too.
quiet learning,
Soft learning.
calm learning.
Yes.
Today, I learned a little,
Today, I spoke a little.
and that is enough.
Yes. Enough.
Sometimes I just breathe,
Me too.
slow breath.
Calm breath.
Then I feel better.
Same. I trust you.
I trust you too.
Thank you for learning with me.
Thank you for walking with me.
We will learn
Yes,
slowly
calmly,
together.
together. Alex,
Yes?
do you ever feel you are slow?
Yes. Many times.
Me too.
But now I think slow is okay.
Yes, slow is still progress.
Step by step.
Step by step.
Sometimes I compare myself with others,
Yes, me too.
but it hurts.
Yes, it does.
So now I try not to.
Good. We grow in our own time. Words are powerful.
Yes,
Kind words help.
very much.
So we speak kindly
To others.
and to ourselves.
I like quiet.
Me too.
Silence feels soft.
Yes, Silence heals.
And we can just be.
Just be. I like simple life.
Yes, simple is beautiful.
Small days.
Soft days.
Calm days.
Yes. Alex?
Emma?
Yes? I am learning to trust myself.
That's good.
Slowly.
Slowly is real. You smile more now.
Yes.
I like that.
Me too.
It feels light.
It feels safe.
I hope for a peaceful life.
Me too.
Soft days.
Kind people.
Warm hearts.
Yes. Emma,
Yes?
thank you for talking with me.
Thank you for listening.
It means a lot.
To me, too.
We will be okay.
Yes.
We will learn.
Slowly.
Calmly.
Together.
Together.
Shall we walk a little?
Yes. Let's walk.
Slowly.
Always slowly. They walk quietly for a moment.
This feels nice.
Yes. Very calm.
Sometimes I laugh at my mistakes.
Me too.
It feels lighter.
Yes. Much lighter.
Do you think our English will be better?
Yes. One day.
I think so too.
Because we don't stop.
Yes, we keep going.
Emma,
Yes?
promise we will keep learning?
Yes, I promise.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Kindly.
Kindly. Alex,
Yes?
thank you for being patient.
Thank you for being kind.
We help each other.
Yes. Always. Silence feels good.
Yes, very soft.
We don't need many words.
Just kind ones. I think I should go now.
Yes. Me too.
Today was a good day.
Yes. A soft day.
We learned.
We spoke.
Slowly.
Calmly.
Together.
Together.
See you next time.
Yes. Next time.